Welcome to Ramp Up today. I'm Miss Kellen. I'll be walking you through an activity that you're going to be doing today, and then you'll get some time to explore on your own on this website. So your Ramp Up advisor may have this as a link in your Ramp Up course to choose from directly and may have already told you to do that, or else you need to go on your web browser and type in this address, www.CareerOneStop.org. So again, that's www.CareerOneStop.org. Lots of great information on careers on this website. I'm going to show you the main thing we're going to start with today, and then you'll have some time during Ramp Up to just do some exploring and reading at and looking about careers on this website. So choose the menu link that says Explore Careers, and then go to the second column where it says Learn About Careers and choose What's Hot. You'll notice then that you can spend a lot of time looking at fastest growing, careers with most openings, largest employment, and then also declining employment. Today we're going to kind of focus on looking at fastest growing careers, and then later you can come back and look at the careers with the most openings. So let's choose fastest growing careers to start with. Then if you take a look on the left-hand side, it probably defaults here the United States, but if you want to look at a specific state, you can choose Minnesota, or if you just want to stay looking overall, leave it United States and look for careers in the United States. And we're also going to start by looking at careers that only require some college or an associate's degree. Most careers that are going to make a livable wage are going to require something after high school, not necessarily a four-year degree, but something after high school. So I'm going to choose some college. And when I do that, you can see in Minnesota that the number one fastest growing career is a wind turbine service tech. In 2016, there were 270 positions needed, and by 2026, there's going to be 540, and that's just in Minnesota. Now, if I go over highlight over the money bags, in which of course the more of them there are, the higher the wages, you can see that just by having some college, not even a full 2-year degree, you're going to be able to make $34,000 to $56,000 a year. So it's post-secondary non-degree award. And then you can go look right down the list. Now, if you want to know what does a phlebotomist do, if you select the link to that career, it will take you to information about that career that you can read about, a video you can watch about it, projected employment. You can see in Minnesota or in the United States overall, there's a big job demand as well, not just in Minnesota. And so you can really find out a lot about the particular careers when you select that link. I'm going to go back and show you then what happens if we go and look at specifically the United States rather than just Minnesota. So if I choose the United States and hot careers, and again the fastest growing, and search, you'll see that a wind turbine service tech is still at the top, but it has dropped down to number 2. So number 1 then is solar photovoltaic, however you say, installers. Again, high school diploma or equivalent is all that's needed. You highlight over there and you can see they make a great wage as well. And again, if you want to know what they do, select this link and it'll take you right there to read about it. Spend some time, the rest of your ramp-up time, looking at a lot of these options. Don't forget that you can also go look at careers with the most openings. You can look at careers that specifically require a 2-year degree, which is what an associate's degree is. And if you want to as well, you could look at bachelor's and master's. But kind of our focus in this unit is looking at possibilities of careers that require a technical degree and not a bachelor's degree, so that you can see there are a lot of great careers options out there that make a good amount of money that don't require a 4-year degree, in case that's something that you would be interested in looking at in the future.